Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. I am coming with beautiful project today of fall season or for autumn season using paper quilling strips. So I have created this wonderful greeting card along with the hand painted leafy background, handwritten sentiment and the beautiful fall season color flower bouquet. Also, I will share how to make the striped embossed background. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking 14 by 9.5 cm white cardstock and I have created a small border of leaves and I am coloring it using my gouache colors in all fall colors like yellow, orange, red and green, and randomly painting all these border leaves. We don't need to add leaves inside the cardstock because it will only be visible from the border. So quickly painting the leaves. Now adding few lines using brown color marker to create stem. And then I am adding few dots of orange color marker here and there between leaves. And the beautiful pattern is completely ready. Then here I am taking 13 by 8.5 cm light yellow color cardstock and using my scoring board I am just making a crease line after each equal distance using the bone folder which is given with the scoring board. It will give nice embossed texture to your cardstock. So can you see the beautiful texture? Now to create card base, here I am taking 21 by 15 cm white cardstock which is 250 GSM in thickness, folding it from center, burnish it nicely. And then I am sticking my leafy border pattern paper on this. And then I am sticking my embossed striped cardstock on top. So the card base is completely ready. Then starting with my first quilling petal, for this I am taking half strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one pointed teardrop shape. For my all quilling designs today I am using 3 mm strips only and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the pointed teardrop shape is ready. Then for the next shape here I am taking 1/4 strip of golden yellow color and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, we need one more. Now I am joining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using golden yellow color strip. And the petal is ready. Now I am doing little bit of shading work using orange color from the center towards the outer side to give little depth to the petal. And now it's time to join total 9 petals together to create the flower. Like this. Now to make the center of the flower, here I am taking 1.5 strip of brown color and making one tight coil and sticking it on top of the flower. The flower is ready. Now to create other small flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. Similarly, we need one more, so joining both the petals together and wrapping this petal using yellow color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 7 petals together to create the flower. Then to create center of the flower, here I am taking half strip of orange color and sticking it on top of the flower. So this is done. Then I am doing little bit of shading work using yellow color and very little touch of light orange color. And the super beautiful flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So this is done. Then to create filler flower, here I am taking half strip of dark orange color, making one tight teardrop shape, joining 5 petals together to create the flower. And for the center of the flower, I have prepared tight coil using 1/4 strip of white color. Similarly, I have created one more. Now to make leaf, here I am taking half strip of light green color and making one pointed teardrop shape. Similarly, I have already prepared some more and some using 1/4 strip of dark green color. So leaves are ready. Then to make scroll, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light orange color in 4 quantity. Gather all together, fold it from center and start rolling it using tweezer to create the scroll. So the scroll is ready. Similarly, prepared one more in yellow color, so just joining both the scrolls together, and similarly prepared one more. And also we need 2 small dark orange scrolls and 2 white color scrolls, which are made using same process. Then I am showing you how to write the sentiment. So here I am using my brush pen by Tombow and writing "Wishing you a season of blessings" on white color cardstock. And then on the bottom of this, I have added one yellow color paper to highlight the sentiment more. Cut it in V shape to create the banner look, and joining only 2 ends of the banner and giving little 3D folding look to my sentiment. Now here I am taking jute thread or jute rope, opening this small section to have fibers. So we have nice fiber bunch, and I'm going to stick it on my cardstock base before adding flowers to give shabby look. So adding little glue and sticking my fiber. And then start attaching all the flowers one by one along with leaves and scrolls. So this is completely done. Now to add little more fancy look to the card, here I am taking small stones and taking some of dark yellow colored stones and some red colored stones and sticking it randomly here and there between the flowers. So taking the same fall shades or autumn shades. Like this, and the super gorgeous greeting card is completely ready. This is looking absolutely stunning, and in this way you can create card for any occasion. You can write special message inside the card to your loved ones, so you can make in different color combinations as well for different seasons. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.